5 traits of millionaires that I know. 1, they are generally positive people. They believe that the world will be better in the future. They don't know how, they don't know what, but they are generally positive. Number 2, they clearly understand delayed gratification. Whether they were a lawyer or a doctor who built big practices, whether they were entrepreneurs who built small businesses from one location to many, whether they were employees that live on a pension and have investments, whether they were real estate investors, they understand delayed gratification. Number 3, they believe in themselves. They believe that they can do it. They don't have, unconscionable kind of belief, but they know that if they do the work, they keep moving forward, they'll make mistakes, but they can pick themselves up and they can keep going.